To set up the file lock on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then we need to navigate to the special features right there, scroll all the way down, and then there's something called private save. We want to click on that, and if you do it for the first time, it will ask you to create the password for your security special features. And I have my password set, and now I just need to enter it. Now there's the private save and different file categories that you can see: images and videos, audio, documents, or other files. You can choose whichever one of the types you want to hide. In this case, I'm going to go for the images, and I want to add 2 images that I want to hide. So click on the add button on the bottom, and then click on each image in the bottom right corner to hide it and set it as private. Now these images should appear right here, and each time you want to check them out, you will need to go here manually to the private save and then open images and videos, and right there you'll be able to preview it. And now let me show you that the pictures are actually gone from my phone and they are hidden. We can open our photos gallery, and then from today there's only one photo that I skipped and didn't hidden, and there's no other photos that are hidden in our private save.